Ooh la la la, it's the way that we rock when we doing our thing.
That makes more sense. Okay. So I have this wood burning kit. Comes with 2 pins, 2 stencils that, yeah, there's stickers, 2 sandpapers, I don't know, the wood burning cream paste, wood burning paste, a little brush, and this. Maybe this is to smooth this stencil out. I'm gonna assume. Okay, yeah, so those are all the things. Might as well try that too. I wonder if I need gloves. Now, I'm gonna try it on this, because that's what it came with. However, I have these other pieces of wood, and I have a few stencils, bigger stencils, you know, that I want to try. I want to try out that on those. Now you're gonna need a heat gun too, so you can get one of these. They're cheap on Amazon. But I do also have a higher, what am I trying to say? Voltage. Yeah, so I don't know if I need gloves for this. Let's put some on just to be on the safe side. Let's go ahead and put some gloves on. Oh, they say safety first. I've had this kit for a while and I haven't used it, so I'm gonna assume I think to stir this. Look how thick it is. Let's see. Okay. So I watched a video. In the video, there's a stand here. Alright. And then it said to get a paper towel to clean this off. The debris off. Alright. Oh wait, I'm not gonna be able to get that off right with this. I'm not gonna be able to put that glove back on either. But let's go with the dinosaur. Only because it has so much more detail than that flower. And I'm gonna mess it up touching it with this. Maybe I don't need gloves for this. Alright, now when I watched the video, it said to just paint it on there. Then take off the excess and hit it with the heat gun. have no idea if this is right. Mind you, the video I saw, the video was only like 46 seconds. But I guess for what this is, maybe that's enough. Child, I might just be overthinking it. Because why would it be that simple? To me, in crafting, if it's too simple, I've done something wrong. It's like my brain can't process it. It's too simple. It's messed up. Mind just what this arts and crafts are supposed to be fun and enjoyable. But you know, you do stuff, it's like, I want it to be right, but you know? It says to make sure I get in the edge is good like any other time you would do a stencil, I would assume, right? Make sure you get the edges. Maybe I should have did the rows. Ah! Okay, and let me go one more time over here. I'm gonna assume this stencil is not reusable. Assuming this paste, it's kind of strong. I would turn on my air purifier, but it would be really loud. Okay, I assume that's enough. Let's assume that's enough. Okay, then it said to wipe it off. Wipe off the excess. So let's try it with this first. And then if this one doesn't work, we'll move to the other one. Oh wait, was I supposed to take this off and then do it? I think I'm supposed to take it off and then do it. Hold on. I think I'm supposed to take this off. I think I can reuse this. Boom. Reusable. Okay. Now back to this. Let's try this one. Maybe this is too old. Look, this whole thing is hot, but it doesn't do anything. Okay, wait a minute. I wonder if this will work then. It does sound like there's something in here. Okay, so there's two different ends. Okay. So it says shake it, vent it, push it. It should work. Should it? Will it? Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. Okay, let's see. I wonder if I could trace it. Is this how it's supposed to go? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Maybe I should have put the stencil back on. I can't see. Ah! No, wait. I'm gonna have to go back. I can't see it the other way. I can barely see the stencil, mind you. So if this does work, this is totally on a hope and a prayer. It's like we are just winging it at this point. I don't have a clue what's gonna happen. We're gonna find out together. I mean, worst case, it looks the exact same and it doesn't work like that gel didn't work, right? However, comma pause. What if it works? What if it works? And that is how we're working right now, is on the chance if it works. Girl. I said dinosaur. Is that a giraffe? Is it a giraffe? Girl, that is a doggone giraffe. Okay. Take two. Maria. Okay, there we go. It's hot. It's hot. Oh man, that's not gonna work on there. I wonder, what if I did the let's see. What do we have to lose? That looks a little big. Let's try it. This doesn't look bad, right? You can kind of see. I think it might work with the pen. Oh crap, which one was I using? This one. Okay. Oh man, I need a piece of tape of some sort to hold this in place. Or do I have a clip? Okay, let's see if I can clip this. I wonder will this work? And it will. Okay. Oh, so these are these. Got it. I don't have more double-sided tape. I wonder if that would even work, considering it's wood. Okay. Let's see. I probably should wipe this off. Alright. We're in the shot, we're in the shot. Yo, look at that! That is so cool! Okay, so I don't know about this. These work. Look at that. This is dope. Alrighty.